In the year 1999, the country of Japan had issued these 5 cute postage stamps as part of a greetings series. The stamps in this set included illustrations of a sweet-looking kitten and puppy, rabbits, and flowers. The first stamp we see is of a gray-colored kitten with green-colored eyes, and its tail sticking in the air. Perhaps it is looking for a mouse to play with? The next stamp we see here is of orange and pink-colored flowers and roses. This stamp features a puppy. It appears to be a young Saint Bernard dog. He looks like he is waiting for someone to take him for a walk outside. The next stamp we see is a light brown colored rabbit who appears to have its paws raised up, as if it is cleaning its face. The last stamp in the series features a gray and white colored rabbit who appears to be enjoying the nighttime sky with a crescent moon in view and twinkling stars above. We hope you enjoyed viewing our video of the Japanese greeting stamps. If you would like to view more postage stamps from Japan, please be sure to visit our website at JapanesePenPals.net.